Hello folks, so today I'm making my almond milk with walnut, pecans, moringa seeds, and of course I'm adding a little piece of ginger. I'm also using dates to sweeten my almond milk, and I already have about 4 or 5 soaking in some spring water. All you have to do is add everything to your blender and blend on high for a minute or two to make sure that everything is totally pulverized. Once you have done this, then you want to strain it in a milk bag, or anything like that, and you are good to go. I'm using some vanilla essence and some star anise essence to make my almond milk just go over the top. Guys, make sure that you try this one in your neck of the woods. It is a real good one. Yardie TV says so.